5 of exercise 1.2. Check whether 6 power n can end with digit 0 for any natural number n. If the number 6 power n for any natural number n end with digit 0, then it would be divisible by 5. You can check for each number who ends with the 0, like 30 and with the 0 is divisible by 5, or you can take this number, you can take this number. All these numbers are divisible by 5, so all the numbers end with digit 0 then must be divisible by 5. That is the prime factorization of 6 power n would contain the prime number n, 5 would contain the prime number 5, but only the prime factors, of 6 power n contains 2 and 3, not 5. So we can say there is no natural number n for which 6 power n ends with the digit 0. Once again, we will see what we did. If the number contains 0 in the end, then this number is always or would be divisible by 5. Like we have given example 30, 7, 60, all end with the 0. And all these numbers would be divisible by 5. And we have number this, so it would be divisible by 5. That is the prime factorization of 6 power n would also contain 5. It means when we did the prime factors of this would contain prime number 5, but the prime factors of 6 is 2 into 3. There is no 5 in this, so we can say that there is no natural number n for which 6 power n ends with the digit.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.